here I have my green selection box, and I'm interested where that intersects with the imported SAT file. So I'm going to create a new part, go to the Manage tab and select Derive. Then find the top level assembly, and in the dialog box I'm going to use the blue option for the SAT holder, which is intersection, and then I'm going to ignore the selection box and the XYZ grid and keep the second created selection box as the yellow icon by the side of it. In the top assembly it's probably better just to switch the visibility off, and then you don't see that as an option in the Derive dialog box. So once that's run, I get my part produced, and I'm getting a warning there to show that some of the surfaces were outside the selection area, which is fine because that's what I wanted, effectively, to get a smaller section of that large SAT file that was imported. Now this has also been fixed in space to the coordinate system that was on the assembly, so I'm going to use a save copy as. So now if I click on the selection box part just to copy its name really, and then I'm going to rename it, and I've brought over the coordinate system that I used to name it with. So now this is saved as its own unique part in the position in space where I want it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is place this part in an assembly so I can create new parts alongside it. So once I find this part and I look to drop it into the assembly, I'm going to use a right click and choose ground at origin, so that maintains my coordinate system, and then I can save this away as a section of the overall assembly that I'm interested in. So I'll call this section B, and then I can create a new part within it.